Welcome. Today we are discussing on our next project, that is voice assistant. So for this project we have to import some Python library such as subprocess, which is used to call a function in our PC or in our system. Next one is speech recognition. It is used to recognize our speech. Next one is web browser. It is used to open web browser using our voice command. Next is time. It is used to know about time. Date and time is used to know about date and time both. The next one is Wolfram Alpha. This is very important. This is an API which is used to answer question according to geographical conditions. And the last one is PyTTS into 3. It is used as our voice recognizer or voice initiator. So first of all we have initiate our voice by using Microsoft API. This is SAPI 5 is a Microsoft API we have used here. Next we have initialized our speak, that is our voice command, and the next one is Wismi function. Here we have defined if time is between 0 and 12, it would automatically speak good morning. If it is between 12 to 18, it would say good afternoon, and if it is neither in these two cases, then it will print good evening. Similarly, now we have defined our audio function. Here we recognize our voice and it will speak listening. Here we recognize our voice through Google and the language is English, Indian. Now at last we have initialized our app, that is name is equals to main. Here we have some conditions and these all conditions will execute if we run our program. So don't waste our time, let's run the program.
Loading your AI personal assistant M1900. Hello, good afternoon. Tell me, how can I help you now? Listening.
Who are you?
I am M1900 version 1.0, your personnel assistant. I am programmed to minor tasks like opening YouTube, Google Chrome, Gmail, and Stack Overflow, predict time, JIT, top headline news from Times of India, and you can ask me computational or geographical questions too.
Who made you? Who made you?
I was built by Ritik Ranjan. Listening.
Open Google Chrome.
Google Chrome is open now. Listening.
Open YouTube.
YouTube is open now. Listening.
What is the time?
The time is 16 hours 54 minutes and 15 seconds. Listening.
Open LinkedIn.
Here is LinkedIn. Listening.
Give me some news.
Here are some headlines from the Times of India. Happy reading. Listening.
I have a question. Did you answer it?
I can answer to your question. Listening.
Who is the Prime Minister of Britain?
Boris Johnson, from 24/07/2019 to present. Listening.
I have another question. Did you answer it as well?
I can answer to your question. Listening.
Who is the first President of India?
Rajendra Prasad, from 26/01/1950 to 13/05/1962. Listening.
I want answer to my another question.
I can answer to your question. Listening.
Where is Konark Institute of Science and Technology? Okay, it's going to show an error because we cannot ask a question in Wolfram Alpha like this. So rerun this.
Loading your AI personal assistant M1900. Hello, good afternoon. Tell me, how can I help you now?
Are you there? Are you there?
I am here. Listening.
Give me answer.
I can answer to your question. Listening.
What is the size of India? Okay, rerun this.
Loading your AI personal assistant M1900. Hello, good afternoon. Tell me, how can I help you now? Listening.
Give me an answer.
I can answer to your question. Listening.
What is the size of India in square kilometer?
.287 times 10 to the power of 6 km caret 2 square kilometers. Listening.
Okay, my personal assistant, goodbye.
Your personal assistant M1900 is shutting down. Goodbye.